everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to unbox the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club. I'm so excited. But first off, our encouraging word for today is when it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. I like this one. It's all about your perspective and what you're looking for. All right, Adornable Elements Beads of the Month. I was so excited. I went to the mailbox a minute ago with Sadie, and there it was. So we're going to unbox this. Now, it is a monthly subscription service. They have lots of different clubs you can choose from. If you use my coupon code when you sign up, it is Wendy10. That will get you 10% off of each separate club that you sign up for the first month's box. So if you sign up for 6 clubs, you get 10% off of each separate one the first month. So that is really a great deal, I gotta say. So I'm so excited. Let's see what we've got this month. Okay. So it looks like fire polish beads. Oh my goodness. Let's check them out. So this is their companion finding pack, and I love this right here. This is so nice. This is gold plated. Looks like, let's see what we've got. Okay, awesome. Okay, wow, we have a heart link with silk Swarovski crystal. Ooh, y'all know I used to work for a Swarovski dealer, so I love Swarovski. Oh, really pretty. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the sparkle in there. And a heart charm with silk Swarovski crystal. So here is the link. Here are the charms, and they've included some oval jump rings, which I absolutely love. I think oval jump rings are so much more secure than regular jump rings because of their oval shape. It causes the split in the jump ring to be in the middle. So if you've got something hanging from the bottom of a regular jump ring and it opens, your split is usually going to be at the bottom. It's going to fall out. But with oval jump rings, it's in the middle. So I feel like they're more secure, you know, generally. Okay. These are absolutely stunning. Wow, I'm going to have fun with those. Okay. Beautiful. Let's put those back in there. And those are 20 gauge oval jump rings. Really nice. Then we have a Jubilee Clasp Set. Oh, this is pretty too. So little heart. So it's matching the other hearts there. Little heart toggle. Look how pretty that is. Very nice. This is a nice toggle because if you look at this, the bar is well bigger than the ring. We just had a discussion on my Facebook group about toggles falling off, you know, having trouble losing bracelets, especially made with toggles. And a lot of times it's because your ring that you're using, the bar just, it slips out too easily. But this is a very nice, this has a good size. Plus the fact of this bar having this curve here, it's going to kind of go into the heart like this, which is going to make it a little more secure. See how it wraps around both of those little pieces? So this is a really nice toggle. I would feel very good using this on a bracelet and not worrying that it was going to fall off. So really nice. Okay. Then we have Star Jasmine earring posts. Oh, these are really cute. Looky there. Little loop on there for a dangle, just a post. I like post earrings. Those are precious. Very cute. And then we have some head pins. So 21 gauge head pins here. Nice long size. It looks like they're 2-inch, which is really nice and versatile. So this is the findings pack that we get this time, and I think it's beautiful. Okay. Go ahead and put it back just so I don't misplace anything. My desk has been a disaster today. Excuse me. Okay, double fire polish beads of the month club. So they have 2 sizes of clubs. You can sign up for the single or the double, and it's just that. The single club has the exact same beads as the double club, just twice the amount. Okay, that's how that works. Ooh, these are pretty. I love fire polish beads. You all know that. If you've followed me for very long, you know that I do. Sorry for the crinkle there. I can knock that out. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have light Siam rub rose cut 6 by 5 millimeter, 50 pieces. And let me find them. That would be these. Okay. Those are pretty. I have never seen fire polish beads in this rose cup before. And you all know I love my fire polish beads. So how have I missed these? These are beautiful. Look at that little rose. Oh, they're gorgeous. Okay. We will put those back. Then we have emerald rondelles, 6 by 3 millimeter, 90 pieces. I love these flat rondelles. So as you can see, they are very flat on the top and the bottom looks just like that. And then they have their facets around the edge. And I just think they're so pretty. I love the shape of them and just the way that they lay in your jewelry. They're just really, really pretty. And I always get these whenever I see them because they're just unique. Those are beautiful. Okay, and then we have emerald with silver antique oval, 8 by 10 millimeter. That's these. Oh, they looked black to me, but they are definitely emerald. When you hold them up, they're a deep emerald. They're very pretty. When you hold them up here, I hope that the camera will translate this. It's not doing it, I don't think. They are emerald, and I'm not sure how to get it to show up, but they're a very, very deep, transparent emerald in the middle of this gray silver etching. And yeah, I cannot. The camera just doesn't want to do it, but they're beautiful. Trust me. Beautiful emerald green in there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is really pretty. These are not black. They are a deep, 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 deep emerald. Those are nice. Still trying to get it to show. Camera is failing me today. All right, and you get 24 pieces of those. Then we have some beautiful Siam ruby AB drops. These are 5 by 7 millimeters. Oh, these are pretty. I love the AB coating. Look at that. Gorgeous little beads. Really pretty. Those are fun to work with. They are faceted. And of course they have that beautiful AB coating on them and the nice rounded holes that all the fire polish beads have. They will not cut your thread if you're bead weaving because of their nice rounded holes. Very pretty. Okay. Then we have transparent green luster rondelle. Whoops, I've got a rogue drop here. Let me get it back in there. Things running loose on my desk today are in danger of being lost. Okay, transparent green luster rondelle 5 by 7. That's these. These are beautiful. Oh, wow. These are pretty. I think these are my favorite thing in this box. Wow, these are gorgeous. They are transparent green. Look at how beautiful those are. I don't even know what they remind me of, like bubbles in the ocean or something. They're so pretty. Wow. Oh, wow. Can't wait to use those. And they have like a shimmer. I mean, I know the fire polish all has... Oh, okay, they're green luster. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, they are. They are just gorgeous. Okay, those are my favorite things so far in this. Those are stunning. Okay. And then we've got crystal red rounds, 8 millimeter. That's these. These are pretty. And somebody was like, all you have to do is pull the top out of the container. Yes, I know that, but there is a label in there, and I don't really like to take the label off because then I can't figure out what's inside. But no, this one's not coming off even though I did take the label off. Not coming out. There we go. Sometimes the label holds it on there. But there we go. Those are pretty. They've got this crystal slash red. It's just very random, like not all the same. Each bead's not the same. They're very unique. Some have more red than others. Some have more clear. They are beautiful. And 8 millimeter, that's a very nice size. So, you know, you can do a lot. I like to get a little bit bigger beads, especially in something like this that's got this beautiful clear and red in it, because you can see the detail so much more the bigger they are. And these are really, really pretty. All right, light Siam ruby rounds, 4mm. That's these. 150 of these. Those are pretty. Just the light Siam, you know, traditional light Siam, faceted. They're very sparkly, very pretty little ruby red rounds. Gorgeous. Fantastic. Do a lot with those. And then we have crystal green luster round in 3mm, 200 pieces. Okay. Oh, those are pretty too. They're kind of grayish, but they've got a green tint to them when they move. And they're very sparkly and faceted, of course. Very pretty. And I will have them everywhere if I'm not careful. So that is the Adornable Elements Fire Polish, Double Fire Polished Beads of the Month Club for this month. And I must say, it's gorgeous. My favorite thing in this box are these right here. These are so, so pretty. And I'm going to come up with something really nice to do with them for sure. Well, all of them, but I'm excited about these. I love them. I have a shirt that these will go with really nicely too, so yay. But love this club. Fire Polish Beads of the Month Club. There it is. Gorgeous fire polish beads. Like I said, if you sign up using my 10% off club code, Wendy10, you will get 10% off of your first month's box, and you can use that on as many of the clubs as you want. So check them out. I will link their website in the description box below, and you can look at all of the clubs. So they give you the retail value of everything on here. It says you saved over 22% by being in their club. So it's a retail value of $49, and you saved $11.05. And then our findings pack has a retail value of $17.93. And you get a 27.8% discount when you join, or you subscribe to this with the Beads of the Month Club. So awesome, awesome club. Check them out, and I am going to get off here and maybe make some jewelry with it. So stay tuned for tutorials. I will have tutorials using these beads, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.